In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set VLC Media Player as your default video player on your Windows device, whether it's Windows 10, Windows 11, or a different version. In today's tutorial, I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and type in default. Best result should come back with default apps. Go ahead and open that up. And then where it says enter a file type or link type, just type in MP, and you could do MP3 for example, and you can open that up, whatever the best result is. And then where it says suggested apps, you can select VLC Media Player, and then select set default. And you can do this for MP4 files or any other file formats you want to set VLC default for. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.